This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about cocoa powder versus instant hot cocoa. So this is something that I was surprised to learn that people didn't know the difference between, and one late night jaunt to various grocery stores told me that there was a serious lack of knowledge because I kept asking for cocoa powder and people would say hot chocolate mix, and I went, no. So cocoa powder is the form that the dry solids from the cocoa beans take, and they just have a small amount of the fat retaining in it. And you can see it's a lovely, loose, dark powder. It's usually found in the form of Dutch processed cocoa, which has a little bit of an alkaline added to it to neutralize the acid. And this can be used in a variety of different baked goods. So think baking cookies, brownies, beautiful, rich chocolate cake, right? And it's a raw form of that ingredient. So think yummy, yummy chocolate flavor. The instant hot cocoa mix is going to contain either powdered chocolate or cocoa powder, plus a variety of other things. So think added sugar or artificial sweeteners, milk powders so that it can be reconstituted with either hot water or milk, and also various stabilizers and thickeners. So it has a lot of extra ingredients and probably contains some cocoa powder, but it might just be powdered chocolate, right? So this can be used to make a lovely quick cup of hot chocolate, or if you keep this stuff on hand, you can simply add it to some milk. So your choice, whether it's a dairy substitute or a 2% or whole milk, with just a little added sugar, heat it up, and you can make your own wonderful homemade hot chocolate without the extra stabilizers and thickeners. So while they're both great to have on hand, I always opt for making sure I have a good supply of cocoa powder because it's really the base for your instant hot chocolate mix. And it can be used for a variety of other things, including just finishing off your baked goods with just a little delicate sprinkle of cocoa powder. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.